And it happened in those days that when Moses was grown he went out to his brothers. Exodus 2:11. Go out of the ark. Genesis 8:16. And he took one of his ribs. Genesis 2:21. And Aaron stretched out his hand with his staff and struck the dust of the earth. Exodus 8:17. And these are the kings of the land which Joshua conquered. Joshua 12:7. And he came and stood in his presence. -2 Kings 5:15. And the sword will not pass through your land. Leviticus 26:6. And God saw that it was good. Genesis 1:10. From every tree of the garden you may freely eat. Genesis 2:16. I know that you will surely be king. -1 Samuel 24:20. But from the tree of the knowledge of good and bad you shall not eat, for on the day you eat from it you will surely die. Genesis 2:17. And he lifted up his eyes and looked. Genesis 18:2. And she arose with her daughters-in-law and returned from the country of Moab. Ruth 1:6. Do you see how the son of a murderer sends someone to remove my head? -2 Kings 6:32. Do not set your heart toward them, don't be anxious about them. -1 Samuel 9:20. Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters. Genesis 1:6. In pain you will bear children. Genesis 3:16. And he sprinkled half the blood on the altar. Exodus 24:6. And I will not find a wise man among you. Job 17:10. And Adam knew his wife again. Genesis 4:25. Now go, and I will be with your mouth. Exodus 4:12. Yahweh, God of armies, hear my prayer. Psalm 84:8. Look to the heavens. Genesis 15:5. Bring the men into the house. Genesis 43:16. From year to year yearly, lit, from days toward days. Exodus 13:10. And David remained at Horesh. -1 Samuel 23:18. The report was true. -1 Kings 10:6. Is your old father well? Genesis 43:27. And you will take a wife for my son Isaac. Gen 24:4. I will greatly multiply your pain and your pregnancy. Genesis 3:16. Go in this strength of yours. Judges 6:14. His mercy is great. 1 Chronicles 21:13. The wickedness of mankind was great in the land. Genesis 6:5.